welcome back to All Things Armani&Aviena, and today I am going to be doing a sugar wax on my armpits. Now, I used the video off of YouTube. Let me show y'all, sorry. To learn how to do this, I'm going to link the video down below. Her name is decieded. I used her YouTube video because I liked how simple and easy and quick and fast her video was, and very informational on how to do the sugar wax. So thank you, Destiny, for that. So with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, right? And let's get into the video.
This is what you're going to need for your wax. Okay, so this is me cooking it. I accidentally cooked it on high heat, just to let you guys know. I used the wrong pot too, but further on in the video, you'll see that I switched the pot. Just wanted to show you that the stuff is overflowing. And this is just me when I switched the pot so you can see the wax clearer. Since I didn't use a thermometer, I needed to tell by the color.
Today we have something new. We have, what is this, you might ask? Wax. This is a sugar wax. I use a thermometer. I cooked it on high so it burned the color, so that's why it's so dark. I thought I cooked it on medium high, but my best friend helped me and I realized that it was high. So I fast cooked it and it burned, and I had to recook it like 3 times. But as you can see, we now have a wax. I'm going to show you guys my armpits. I changed my shirt so you can see my armpits. Don't judge me. They've been like this for a good 3 weeks. So you have to wait 3 weeks so you can be able to use a wax and things like that. Bam. Just look at that. That is what they're looking like, y'all. Okay, so my best friend's gonna come help me. Come on, best friend. Hello. She's gonna be my sugar waxer today, and we're just gonna hope I don't cry. So let's get to the wax. She's just gonna use a popsicle stick, and she's just gonna put just a little bit right here, just so we can test it out, okay?
So, full disclaimer again. Depending on your, what's it called?
That's probably like the highest one.
What?
That one. That ain't no medium.
Depending on your pain tolerance.
Mine's a 0.
Because I
as
can
in everything.
take this pain that I endured on my wrist just now, but she could not.
Okay.
Small
Just be
spot. I'm gonna do right up here on top.
on the top.
Okay, I'm gonna do right.
Okay,
here.
no, you can do it at the top. I'm sorry. Okay, just okay, just a little bit.
Hey, top or bottom?
Okay, just do the top, yeah, a little bit.
This shit hard to.
It's gonna hurt.
Don't cry on camera for these people.
Okay.
Yeah, look, you're smear. Ready?
No.
I'm gonna count to 3. Okay, 1, 2.
Bruh.
Did you get it?
No.
Devinace, what you mean you didn't get it?
What the fuck?
Stop playing. That's
I'm
a
not
lot.
playing. I didn't even smear the whole thing, so I'm about to take it off. Okay.
Ow!
Oh, am I saying? I gotta make
Do
sure
it right.
I am.
Put some gloves on.
Why?
Because that hurt, nigga. Quit
Yo, you
playing.
made me cry.
Oh no.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Look, stop. Why are you moving so much? You're just gonna make it worse for yourself. Just let me take it off.
You're smearing it some more.
Chill out, bro. Yo, let me just take this off. Are you kidding? So this video is about to get cut short as fuck. Like,
She's murdering me on
you're a
purpose.
fucking baby. Daddy? Yeah. You went to work. I'm gonna just smear one thing, okay? That's why I have to pull your skin, because you have to pull it off. I'm gonna change this. You want me to do it?
Meanwhile.
You can touch it. Look. Touch it. Okay. It's not gonna hurt.
Do it.
It's in the camera.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do this to myself.
She did a better job, you guys.
She didn't let me do my job. So it's okay. So you can see the hair that's under my pits.
And she doesn't have as much hair as I had either.
Yeah, mine's a little thinner because I went to the shop and got it waxed. I can't get all of it because I can't hardly see.
That's okay.
That dark stuff in there is hair, if you can see.
So I washed my armpit off. Where she did it at, it's a little balder.
A little patch right there. And she would not let me.
I closed it. I rinsed it off.
I closed my armpit. Oh, that part hurts. It's not rub, it's just pull it. Oh, Lord, no.
This is the one.
Warm water.
Oh, you're just gonna use water?
This off down here because this is, it pulls.
You want me to do your whole armpit?
Hell no.
You use soap.
No, I just need this part to get off because it's attaching to multiple hairs and they're pulling each other. You might need more wax.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, get this off. So no, you need more. You need more to get that off.
Oh, okay. I was like,
You gonna kill me, okay?
Alright. Okay. Just take this off.
Okay, in the shop, you're not even doing it right.
Flick it this way?
You're supposed to smear and then flick the top.
Okay.
So
Oh, yeah. Okay,
wherever you start, then you flick it. Or stop, either way.
I'm trying to get it on.
Y'all see her trying to get other hairs? She ain't supposed to be getting.
I'm getting it. Like, there's no hair right here, I promise. I'm just smear, right? Flick this way, right?
Yeah, you can flick that way.
See? It's because you wet your arm.
Is it coming off?
Yeah, but it's because you wet your arm. It's smearing like that.
You're supposed to go up here from where you start.
Oh, okay. See, I was flicking like this.
Yeah. Flick that off. I broke the stick, y'all. Well, I'm gonna wash my armpit now.
And then we'll look at your armpit. Okay, y'all, so my best friend right now, she is washing her armpit so she can show y'all what it looks like, the part that we did rip some hair off of. That's painful. I can't do the armpit, so I'm gonna do it on my leg for y'all. I'm a baby. I'm not the one. When we went to a wax shop together and she got the wax and I heard her in the room, not me. So that's why I decided to do the sugar wax, which really works. It's really cool. But I think I'm gonna stick to shaving my armpits. Like, I'm a paying person. I'm a baby. But I hope this works for you guys. And I will use it on my legs though.